Adobe Dreamweaver CC is a comprehensive web development tool that caters to both beginners and experienced developers. It provides a robust environment for designing, coding, and managing websites and web applications. Dreamweaver supports various programming languages including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, making it versatile for different types of web projects. One of the key features of Dreamweaver is its dual interface, which allows users to work in a visual design mode or directly in the code. This flexibility is beneficial for designers who prefer a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, interface, and for developers who need to write and edit code manually. The software includes an extensive set of tools for responsive design, ensuring that websites look great on all devices. Dreamweaver also integrates with other Adobe products and services such as Photoshop and Creative Cloud libraries, allowing for seamless asset management and collaboration. The built-in code editor offers features like syntax highlighting, code hinting, and error checking, which helps streamline the coding process and reduce errors. Additionally, Dreamweaver supports Git integration, enabling developers to manage version control directly within the application. Regular updates and a large user community ensure that Dreamweaver remains a powerful and relevant tool for web development, offering a comprehensive solution for creating modern, responsive websites and web applications.